Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing MCQs from DULLM entrance paper. Okay, so MCQ number first. Who among the following can remove the name of the company from the register of the companies on suo motu basis in terms of section 248 sub clause 1 of the Companies Act? So देखिए इस section 248 sub clause 1 में it is given it shall be the registrar of the company. So option 1 is the right answer. Option number MCQ number second. Who amongst the following accepts that rights are important because they can be enforced? So this statement has been given by option 3, Alan Buchanan. MCQ number third. Kelson theory of law suggests that option A, legal order is a hierarchy of norm. तो ये तो थियरी में है. The basic content of the law is determined by the ग्रंड नॉर्म. तो ये भी दिया हुआ है थियरी में. ओके, लॉ इज अ कमांड एंड प्योर थ्योरी ऑफ लॉ डील्स विथ लॉ एज इट ऑट टू बी. तो देखिए ये दोनों जो है क्लियरली आपका केल्सन के थियोरी में नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट फर्स्ट टू जो स्टेटमेंट है इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ केल्सन्स थियोरी which talks about the grund norm and the hierarchy of the norms. Okay, so the right answer over here will be option 4. First and second are right. Consider the following propositions. A Muslim woman on her husband's death need not follow iddat if her marriage is valid but not consummated. So this statement is wrong. Okay. A Muslim woman on divorce need not follow iddat if her marriage is valid but not consummated. Okay, so this statement is right. A Muslim woman on divorce has to observe iddat if her marriage is irregular but consummated. So this statement is also right. A Muslim woman whose marriage is void but consummated has to observe the iddat till delivery if she is carrying the child in her womb in case of her husband's death. So I think this option second and third are right. Okay, so it will be option one. Okay, that second and third are right. Consider the following statement about International Tribunal for the Law of the Seas. It is also called ITLAws. Okay. So the tribunal is composed of 21 independent judges. The statement is right. It is based in Hamburg, Germany. The statement is right. Okay. Now Dr. Neeru Chadha from India has been appointed as one of the judges of the tribunal in 2017. So this statement is also right. So the right answer over here will be all of these. Okay. Consider the following statement. Under the UN Charter, the General Assembly may take up issues relating to maintenance of international peace and security, including the principle governing disarmament and the regulation of armament. Okay, so this statement is right. Under the UN Charter, the Security Council has the primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security. So this statement is also right. So the answer will be option 3. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Consider the following statement. The motion for removal of Supreme Court judge submitted to the Speaker. The motion for removal of a Supreme Court judge submitted to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha lapses with the dissolution of the Lok Sabha. Okay. The inquiry committee appointed under the Judges Act 1968 to ascertain the veracity of the motion for the removal of judge can be treated as a tribunal under Article 136 of the Constitution. So I think that the right answer over here will be option 4, that neither 1 and 2 are right. Okay, these both statements are incorrect. Okay. So the next MCQ. All robberies are either theft or extortion. Okay. If A holds, ये statement right है. If A holds down and fraudulently takes Z's money without Z's consent. This is the example of theft as robbery. Okay, so ये भी सही है. A obtains the property from Z by saying that his child is in hands of my gang and will be put to death unless a ransom of rupees 50 lakh is paid. Z was, however, not put in fear of instant death of child. This is the example of extortion as robbery. So this statement is wrong. This is a completely different thing. So the right answer over here will be option 3. First and second are right. Now consider the following statement. An agreement made without adequate consideration is void. So this statement is wrong. Okay. A written and registered agreement made on account of natural love and affection between the close relative is not valid without adequate consideration. So this statement is also wrong. Such thing will be valid if it is written and registered. Okay. So the right answer over here will be option 4. Both first and second are incorrect. Okay. And now this last MCQ, there may be a situation where only one party is bound to the terms of contract. Yes, it can be a situation. In order to convert a proposal into promise, the acceptance must be absolute and may be unqualified. No, it has to be absolute and unqualified both. Okay. Death or insanity of the proposer is considered as a good ground for the revocation of proposal in all circumstances. So I think that in this case, the right answer will be option 4, first and third. Okay, so these were some of the MCQs relating to DULLM. If you want to watch more such MCQs, you can go to the playlist section of the channel, and in that you can find DULLM and CLAT LLM. Okay, CLAT LLM. In these two playlists, you can find many more MCQs to solve for the upcoming entrances. Thank you all.